We're now going for a walk for our old town. It feels so peaceful here. No noise. These are old cobblestone roads. They tried to put asphalt on it once. Failed miserably. Picked some wild apples along the way. Lumi's got a red one. I love Poland during summertime. It's just perfect. Got a couple beers stacked in my backpack. We're gonna meet my mate Marcin. He's gonna take me to some combat training, but he promises beer afterwards. No, I have to. The belly's growing in Poland. It's only been a week.
I think it was going before then.
Hey?
Huh?
I'm way more fit than you are.
Hell nah!
I can do 50 push-ups in a row.
Yeah, well, I can run a marathon.
A marathon.
Can you? You can't even run that far.
The only thing I run from is hard work and exercise. You ready for a quad bike ride? Lumi's very impressed with the quad bikes here. Okay, come on, let's have a look. Little buggy.
No to bierz sobie ten, dla kogo nie zamawiam.
It was an actual, it's like an actual pop-up.
Weź ten, weź mi to trzymaj.
She was like, and then she went.
And then it's like...
Jedna czwarta jest tak do pełna lałaś.
You gonna have a drive as well?
Nie, tak, bo inaczej go z policzek.
Sorry.
Poland has some of the finest technology. It is definitely not a first world
No zaraz
country.
spadnie, z drugiej strony mikrofon jeszcze. Tu mikrofon jeszcze naklej.
It's Nelly. It's
No
getting
możesz was
hot in
słyszeć.
here.
Gdzie jest drugi ten? No, palcami.
Umiem.
Dawaj.
Oh, not use your teeth.
Ale żeby się to trzymało. Gdzie jest drugi słuchawka? Tu jeszcze to. A. Słuchawkę chcę mieć też przy uchu. No i teraz tak taśmą. Po całości, tak?
Jeszcze sobie brwi oderwiesz.
His eyebrows are gone, man.
Trochę słabo widzę.
A, ja jestem zmęczony, idziemy do domu.
O.
No.
O. Teraz trochę nie widzę.
A ja wszystko widzę.
Wait, check if there's hair.
Teraz trudno.
It's always an adventure with this guy.
To jest specjalnie do filmu.
Hold my beer.
Już nie ma wody, a było więcej.
Polish rally drivers.
Spokojnie, teraz nie będzie wody.
I really think Lumi's gonna sleep well tonight. What an adventure.
Look at that. Look at my legs. I'm black.
Naitza, do you like it? 2 thumbs up? 2 thumbs up? Come on.
I'm black. I'm literally black.
Jedź. Oj, oj, oj. A może Lumi chcesz się przejechać? You wanna drive Lumi?
No, I'm black.
Can I get a lift? Oh yeah. Feeling?
I'm black.
Jak tam buty? How's your shoes?
She's cleaner than me because she's she's cleaner than me because she wants her shoes clean. But look at me.
What's he doing? He's watering the plants. Jak? Give me 2 thumbs up. Marcin, chodź.
What is
Czekaj, bo teraz.
Holy crap! Zmieniacie się, no.
No!
The house is there, you're only driving for 2 minutes. Dawaj, just drive slowly. Wow. Straight into the shower. Yeah, you're going straight to the washing machine.
No.
O, traktor jedzie za wami. You gotta go. Traktor za nimi jest.
You have two pedals. Right is gas. No wypierz.
Go first, Polak, go first.
Ale mokro. No?
Let's
So I was using the active track system on the Mavic 2, and and there's some power lines over there, and I hit them. But the Mavics, I'm surprised the Mavic kept flying, but it broke the propellers. But these are the carbon fiber ones. So let me show you. There's one. There's another one. Oh, that's come off. I think this one's alright. This one's alright. This one's chipped. I don't know if I brought the spare ones from Australia, so I might have to find a DJI store somewhere here. Ugh. Now it's time to wash the car. So hey, how can you wash the car without beer? And the only beer to drink is Tiske. Ah. Do you remember the vlog? Pamiętasz?
Który?
When we were eating the potatoes. Proszę.
Śliskie ręce.
It's okay. Thank you for taking Lumi on an adventure. The best beer is Polish beer. Oh, yeah?
Ew, why do I look so ugly, bruh?
That's how you were born, unfortunately. Okay, you gotta tell me about the adventure.
It got good, but then when it got muddy, it got bad.
Come on. But that was fun.
Yeah, why weren't you on a quad bike?
I like to be clean. I am dirty. To jump out of the... Like, look at this. Dirty. Dirty.
Sorry, look at this. Look at this. Look at
Kids,
this.
jump in the shower.
You jump in the shower.
Non-stop. Myślałem, że
Do, do,
ćwiczy.
do, 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 do.
Myślałem, że ćwiczy.
Hey.
Droga równa.
Let's go home.
Crazy?
It's 11 o'clock at night and we're walking home finally after all the quad biking.
Hey.
Okej, mniej to, cię ugryzie zaraz. No patrz co tu jest. Nie bój się. Nie bój się. Wejdzie ci na włosy. No,
We had an awesome night, but it's night to go home
zdejmę to. Nie
and the evening. What an awesome day, quad biking and having fun. That's what life on the farm is about. And this haze will stay here for the whole night. How awesome is this? And there's the moon. Wow. It's truly amazing. I love Polish summers.